time is it? Oh my god! What is a tundra? I'm so curious! Gosh! I've got to find out!
Due to the time constraints, this portion of the video is cut. Essentially, Bennett runs around and can't find any information on tundras.
Deal with it.
I guess there's no one who can tell me about tundras.
Tundras? Did you say tundras? I know everything there is to know about tundras. I'm Tundra Man.
Tundra Man? Can you satisfy my curiosity?
Can I satisfy it? Well, yes, I can.
Whoa! Where are we?
Well, you said you wanted to learn about where tundras are located.
Well, can you tell me?
Well, here's a globe. While alpine tundras can occur anywhere on Earth, Arctic tundras occur in places such as northern Russia, parts of Greenland, as well as the far northern parts of North America in Alaska and Canada. Antarctic tundras, however, occur near the South Pole on the tips of Antarctica and the islands surrounding it, such as the South Sandwich Islands.
That was all very interesting, Tundra Man. Now, do you think you can tell me a little bit about oscillations in population, as well as animal life in tundras?
Well, yes, I can. Hang on.
Whoa! Where am I?
Relax, relax. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about tundras in this fantastic professional setting.
Oh, okay. You gotta stop doing that. Well, anyways, are there different types of tundras?
Well, actually, there are 3 kinds of tundras. There's Arctic tundras, Antarctic tundras, and alpine tundras.
What about Arctic tundras?
Well, Arctic tundras are actually the biggest kinds of tundras on the planet. Actually, they occur in northern Russia as well as in northern Canada, as we saw on the globe. They're actually peoples that live in these areas, such as the Nagansan and the Nenets. They're nomadic reindeer or caribou herders. The average temperature in the winter can get down into -20 and as low as -50 degrees Celsius. It's very cold. In the summer, the top layer of the permafrost melts. It gets up about 12 degrees Celsius during the day and 30 degrees Celsius at night. And this creates bogs and marshes and streams and such from this melted permafrost. Now you might be asking yourself, what kind of animals could live here? Well, actually, there are about 48 species of mammals that live in this region, such as caribou, musk ox, Arctic hare, Arctic fox, snowy owl, lemmings, and in the extreme north, polar bears, as well as some 1,500 to 2,000 species of plants. It's crazy the kind of biodiversity they have in these Arctic tundras.
What about Antarctic tundras?
Well, Antarctic tundras, as you might have guessed, occur in the Antarctic region in the southern part of the Earth. Places such as the South Sandwich Islands, the South Georgia Islands, as well as certain parts of Antarctica, have some kind of soil that, while too dry for more vegetation, it can support some plant life, such as lichens and moss. It lacks many animals, but sea mammals such as penguins and seals live here, as well as seabirds. And then also, humans have introduced some rabbits and cats that now live in the Antarctic regions.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's incredible.
Yeah.
Well, that's just fantastic, Tundra Man. Do you think you could take me to another place to teach me some more about the climate and this mysterious layer of soil called permafrost?
Well, certainly.
Whoa! Where are we?
Well, I'm going to tell it to you about the climate.
All right, shoot.
And permafrost.
I'm very curious still.
Well, permafrost is actually soil that is at or below the freezing point, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, for more than 2 years. Ice is not always present. It usually occurs at high latitudes, but it can also occur at high altitudes, as in the case of alpine tundras.
Interesting.
During the summer, it can melt and form bogs or marshes over tundras. But because of the global warming, a lot of this permafrost is actually melting.
Yeah.
And it's not good because this could destroy the habitat of many animals, such as lemmings or polar bears.
Dang, I like lemmings.
Yeah.
My mom makes a mean lemming stew.
That's terrible.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
It's good though.
It's good.
Whoa, Tundra Man. Whoa, Tundra Man. You gotta stop doing that crazy transport thing.
Well, that's basically everything there is to know about tundras. Sort of.
Tundra Man, I just wanted to thank you so much. And I hope I can use all this new knowledge to benefit mankind.
Of course, Bennett. Now the power of tundra knowledge is with you.
Even though...
Tundra Man, just roll with it, dude. You can cut some of that.